languages shorten words in everyday speech. In English, we shorten a lot of words, and one way we do it is with contractions. Today I'm going to talk about some common contractions and their pronunciations. These contractions will hopefully help you sound natural and advanced. So we're going to run a series of contraction lessons. We're going to have like 4, 5, 6 lessons on contractions, and I want you to follow me up with the lessons and learn how to use contractions in your everyday conversation. Okay, now you hear people say, I'm excited, I'm happy, instead of I am happy. Now that's contractions. The I am has been contracted to I am, okay? And you also hear people say, John's coming, instead of John is coming. So you can say John's coming, Esther's teaching, instead of Esther is teaching. And you could also hear people say they're eating, instead of they are eating. You hear they're eating. That's contraction, okay? Now these words are reduced because they are a little less important. Some words are reduced because they are not so important. Hello and welcome back again to Extra Stars Academy. I'm Esther. And today we'll be looking at contractions. But before we look at the lesson, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, press the like button. If you have a question or a comment or any suggestion, please use the comment section, talk about it, and I'll reply you. Follow us on other social media platforms and do it to share this video with your friends. Okay, so today we are looking at contractions. And I said there's going to be lots of lessons on contractions, but this is the first part. So we're going to talk about what contraction is, when we should use contractions, why we should use contractions. Now, what is contractions? Contractions are shortened words that use an apostrophe to combine two words into one. So letters are omitted from the original word and replaced with an apostrophe when the contraction is made. They are heard in conversation and seen in writing, but they are not necessary in written English, though they can make your writing simpler and easier to read. But you would want to be careful not to use it when writing academic paperwork or anything that is formal, that needs to be professional. So they are best used in informal communications and not formal communications, since they add a little light and informal tone to your communication. Now look at these sentences. I am, okay, let's do this. Am not sleeping. And the second one, I am not sleeping. Okay? Now, the first sentence is simple and factual. I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. It is a normal sentence. The fact, I'm not sleeping. But the second sentence sounds stronger. The speaker is trying to emphasize something. I am not sleeping. I am not sleeping. So you can use, when native speakers use or speak without contractions, they're trying to emphasize a point. So here, the speaker is trying to emphasize that he or she is not sleeping. But normally the speaker would have said, I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping is casual. I'm not sleeping is normal, it's factual, it's simple. I'm not sleeping. But maybe the other person is asking, you're sleeping. I am not sleeping. I'm not sleeping. Okay, so that's when native speakers don't use contractions, when they are trying to emphasize something, when they are trying to emphasize something in a sentence. Okay, so I know this video is perfect for improving your vocabulary, both your listening and speaking vocabulary. So expand your vocabulary by listening to this series on contractions. All the lessons we'll be having on contractions, I want you to listen to them. Okay, and if you have a question, don't forget to place your question in the comment section. And if you haven't liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, because you will learn a lot from this channel. Till we'll see you again in our next class, we'll talk about contractions and the verb to be. That will be our first lesson. Contractions and the verb to be, how to use the verb to be in contracted form in sentences. Keep on practicing, always listen, repeat, and practice. Take care. Bye for now.